Stupid. I had to pack in my briefs, AR in my jeans, and I walk regular because I'm used to it.
Shots. You walk regular because you're used to it. I'm crazy for that. Shotgun in the pants leg. I look like a zombie with it. He got a pack in his briefs, AR on his pants leg, and walk regular because he's used to it. So I got a chef in my hands. Chef on my hands. I guess to be the chef, you gotta become a chef.
I had to pack in my briefs, AR in my jeans, and I walk.
Chef life. To beat this chef, I had to become a chef. So that's what we gonna do. Beat this chef, gotta come. So I gotta cook up the right recipe. You know, the right recipe for this guy here. You know what? I think I'm gonna do some bake and some cooking. Some bacon and some cooking. You know, I'm gonna preheat the oven. Make sure I got the right amount of degrees for this nigga. I'm on a different type of time, you feel me? Yeah, make sure this go in the oven real nice. Real nice as well. No. We gotta go in the middle. Yeah, close that up. But I can't just be a regular wave. They don't want to see no regular shit. Back in the DMV, right? Time to get in my bag. It's time to go in the special compartment. Kids, don't try this at home. So we got performance. You know I got to have a performance. Shot cut in the pants. Nah, I don't want to do that. I gotta get something better. This is gonna make me think up. Yeah, get the gumbo. Yeah, man. We gonna need a little more of that. They said I'm all performance. Fuck it. I'm all performance, right? Fuck that. We going to the DMV. You don't gotta have them balls. You know you gotta have them balls. It's a rapper without balls. Man. Gotta have some balls. You know, they say I don't got too much of these. It ain't all about balls, though. It ain't all about balls. You know, top tier shit. They say angles is important. Nowadays to win battles. Chef with angles? I don't think he got some of that. I need the ultimate masterpiece for this one. We bringing it all this time. Wit. Gotta make sure that wit is on point. Little clever lines and angles. Yeah, chef, man, you ain't that witty, chef. You ain't that witty, but he is witty. I'm lying. He is witty. Beat the chef, think like a chef. Keep the same recipe. You stir the pot, you need the good spoon. Cooking in the mixer like a stir fry. Yeah. Smell good. Is that gonna be enough to beat the chef? I don't want to use it. This is not really my thing. Debating on this shit. Might get a little out of my comfort zone with this one. One thing he could do that I can't. Fuck it, I gotta add it to the pot, man. We gonna try something new, DMV. Yeah, that's what we doing. I took that shit to the head. DMV Survivor Series. I'm I'm bringing a whole pot for this nigga, you heard? Fuck is you niggas talking about? These niggas got me fucked up. They got me fucked up. That's everything I need. That's everything I need. Wait. He blood. Almost done any minute now. Oh, I'm gonna cook this. I got everything you do plus what I do. You know I'm gonna cook this nigga. I'm gonna cook this nigga here, boy. Yeah, this shit. Ow! Fuck! I'm a dickhead. That's why I put the fucking blood. Ooh, but this is pretty. Ooh, this is pretty. I'm ready. Oh, I'm ready. DMV, I'm ready. He gonna be looking at me like he not nice. I'm prepared for you, nigga. Facts. Wait.
URL Survivor Series. It all goes down Saturday, June the 2nd at the top 10 Walnut Alley, Richmond, Virginia. Tickets will be on sale and will also be sold at the door the day of the show. And for those who can't make it out to witness these action-packed battles, you can log on to our live pay-per-view at watchbattlelive.com. Order today. Then, on Saturday, June the 2nd, log on and catch all of the action from URL Survivor Series. Make sure you don't miss history. Be a part of URL, the worldwide leaders of MC battle culture. You can't copy respect.